Ever wondered how to make your own papaya oil at home? This golden oil is packed with skin-loving nutrients, and today I'll be showing you the simplest step-by-step process to make it yourself. Papaya oil is rich in vitamin A, C, and E, which helps brighten the skin, fight signs of aging, and promote collagen production. So I start by washing my papaya, and note that I selected a very ripe papaya because ripe papaya contains very good enzymes and nutrients that are beneficial to the skin. Next, I carefully sliced the papaya in half and scoop out the seeds. The seeds can be saved for another use, but today we are focusing on the flesh. Then I peeled it off and cut the papaya into smaller pieces, making it easier to blend. Guys, if you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help me hit the subscription button, put on the notification bell, and do not forget, guys, to leave a comment and like this video. Alright guys, I have sliced my papaya into pieces to enable me blend it well. So that is what you have to do in order to blend your papaya easily. Papaya oil is rich in vitamin A, C, and E, which helps to brighten the skin, helps to fight signs of aging, and promote collagen production on your skin. Papaya also contains natural enzymes that can exfoliate your skin gently. So this oil will help to exfoliate your skin, reduce dark spots, and give your skin a clear, glowing, radiant skin. Okay, now let's move on to how I blended this. I couldn't blend the papaya because there is no light, so I used a local way of using a pistol to mash it, but blending it would have given it a smoother consistency. So guys, it wasn't funny because I kept pounding and mashing this papaya in order for it to form a puree. It was difficult. It seems easy in this video, but it wasn't that easy. So I did it till I was convinced that the puree is enough for me to heat it on fire. Okay, as you can see here, I did it for a very long time. Then when I was convinced, I put it in a pan to heat. So I poured the mixture into a pan and added my olive oil. This oil helps to preserve the nutrient in the papaya. I then set the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. And guys, as it was simmering, I was stirring occasionally. The goal is to slowly extract the oil without burning the mixture. So I was stirring it occasionally till I was convinced that my oil is ready. After 45 minutes, I removed the mixture from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then I used a cheesecloth to carefully strain out my papaya oil. Finally, I transferred it to a clean dry bottle for storage. I added vitamin E for preservation. This vitamin E is also good because it will help with hydration and preserve my oil for a very long time. This oil can last for weeks, and when stored in a cold dry place can even last for months. Okay, so papaya oil is so good. It will gently exfoliate you, give you a clear glowing skin. Okay, do not forget, guys, if you have watched to this point, to hit the subscription button if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I do not take your love for granted. If you have not liked this video, please like this video, share this video. It is your own way of supporting me and making YouTube to send this video to a wider audience. Okay, thank you guys. Your papaya oil is ready. I am turning it into my bottle where I'm going to preserve it in a cold dry place. This oil can be used on your skin, it can be used on your body, on your hair, and on your face. Okay, this oil is safe. It is for all skin types. whether you're dry skin, oily skin, you can use it. Sensitive skin, acne prone skin, you can use it. Papaya is a natural ingredient, so it is safe for all skin types. Okay, guys, will you be trying this? Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe in the comment section. Okay, let me know. Guys, this oil cost me less than 2,500 naira.